Hey everyone, welcome back to Easy Access Tech. Today we are going to learn how to add your Calendly link to your LinkedIn profile. It's simple and it's really helpful if you want people to book meeting with you fast. So first of all, what is Calendly? It is a tool that lets people to pick a time to meet with you. You don't have to ask for what is your free time, is that day, this day, or you don't have to ask for what time works for you. With Calendly, they just see your calendar and book a time easily. And LinkedIn is a place where many professionals connect, right? So if you add your Calendly link there, more people can book time with you, maybe for interviews, calls, meeting, or just to talk. So just before we start this video, I just want to say one thing, that check the video description for the official Calendly site and LinkedIn help page link, and you will find the information if there anything updated. Alright, now let's start step by step. First, open your browser and go for the Calendly app, or you can use the link in the description of this video. If you don't have an account, just simply log in your account or create your free account. It will take just 1 minute. So once you are in, you can just create an event by clicking here. So I have created one for this tutorial purpose, like this event. So what you have to do, just click on this copy link to copy the link of this event, because this is the link that we will use. Now move to linkedin.com, and here also, if you don't have an account, just create your account. It's also free and very easy. So now just go to your profile by clicking on the name of your profile. On your profile page, look at the top, you will see a button that says edit, or you can see a pencil icon like this. Just click on that. So this will open your profile editor. Now scroll down at the website or contact information section. Now just click on this edit contact information. Now here scroll down and you will see there is an option for website. Just click on this add website button, and now just paste the link that we copied from the calendly.com, like this one. So after that, if you want, you can change the website type here. So I'm just keeping on this personal, and just click on save, and you will see your Calendly link is connected with your LinkedIn contact information. So just cross it, and so you can see there is a contact information like this. And from here, if someone want to see your calendar, then just click on this calendly.com, and it will redirect it to a new tab, and it will show your calendar to the person who want to see that. So this was the video for today. It's really simple and very useful, and it can save you a lot of time. Also, it looks very professional and make it easy for people who want to reach with you. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe this channel. I will see you in the next one with more helpful videos.